All right, so we're ready to start shooting now. I want to get my settings all dialed in. We're shooting manual on everything. I want to dial in my white balance, my exposure, and then what we're going to do is start working some different shots. We're going to play with our lighting in this scene. We have beautiful fills coming off these walls. We're going to work them in and out of the lighting, so we have some shots with backlighting, some shots without, and we're going to see kind of what we like better. Let's go ahead and move into it. Let's go like this, guys. What I want to do first is, I wonder if we can't put you guys both in the shade. So Alex, if you stand right there, and I want you to go do a V-up, guys. Go into the V-up, start with that guy, and then that's really, really nice. We have a nice bit of shade. Now, Alex, if you come forward a tiny, tiny bit so I get the shade off your shoulder, yeah, let's do that. And then I'm gonna keep you a little bit open so we can kind of get this light coming right onto, and let's actually do this. Let's put you guys in this column, in this little line of shadow there. We have a little bit better light coming off that side. And I'm gonna do this is, because this light's coming from bottom up, I want you guys to move this way just a little bit. Perfect, so that way that's not coming bottom up on you. That's great. Okay, now, Alexander, I want you to go, why don't you guys hold hands? Beautiful. Now, Alexander, I'm gonna have you look down into this side right here. Perfect. Alex, I want you to look down and towards her. Perfect, just like that. That's fantastic, guys. And I'm just gonna get a little reading right now off your skin. So we're just gonna get like a little exposure reading so we can make sure that everything looks solid in camera. And this looks gorgeous. Perfect. I love that, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and back up. And we're just gonna start taking a few shots, okay? So, beautiful. I love that. Soft smile, Alexandra. There you go, right there. Look down a little bit. Perfect. Gorgeous. Oh, that's fantastic. Alexandra, look right into the camera. Right there, chin down a little bit. Beautiful. Chin over this way a little bit. Perfect. Alex, go for a peck on her forehead. Alexander, close the eyes and kind of smile while he's doing that. There you go. I love that. That's so cute. That's so cute. Gorgeous. I want you guys both looking into the camera. Let's get that one basic shot of both of you guys looking in the camera. This is for your parents. It's not for you guys, it's for the parents. Tip the heads a little bit towards each other. There you go. And you guys can smile right now at my awkward photographer stance. I'm gonna do this throughout the entire day. It's gonna be a little weird. There you go. I love that.
My eyes.
Your eyes?
Yeah.
Is it really bright?
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, you went cross-eyed on me right there.
No, I did that on purpose.
I know. It's fantastic. That's gonna be your new Facebook profile.
Pretty much.
I dig that. Okay, let me, oh, that's gorgeous. I love that. I'm gonna back up a little bit, guys, just so I can shoot some full-length shots in this scene. I love where you guys are placed right now. Looks really beautiful. Oh, I love that. Smile, look toward each other, guys. Perfect. Alexander, chin down a little bit. Alexander, chin down and look towards my side. There you go, beautiful. Just like that. Oh, I love that. That's fantastic. We got this card that like showed up right there. Let me get over to the side. And that is gorgeous. I'm gonna use this little thing as a little foreground piece, guys, and have these lines drawn into you. So I want you to stop looking at me at this point and kind of focus on each other a little bit. Let's change up the pose. I want you to go into a fully closed pose. Perfect. And Alexander, kind of stay a little bit open to the camera, just a little bit. There you go. A little less. You can turn into him a little bit more. There you go. And get in tight with them. I want you guys to wrap each other up. Forget that the camera's here for a second. Drop that left toe back. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Go for a peck on her forehead. Move the hands. Let's bring the hands. Oh, I love that. That's fantastic. Beautiful, guys. Now, Alexander, I have a little bit of light on the back of your hair and chest, or hair and back. So I want you to step a tiny bit to that side. Perfect, just like that. Just come a little bit this way so that we can kind of shift. Perfect, guys, that's fantastic. And then go for a little kiss. And let's go both hands around his neck. Lean her back a little bit. Alex, get those smooth English ways going for you, brother. Go one-handed there. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. That's all I had to say. Go for a kiss right there, guys. Fantastic. That's cute. Okay, let's put you guys now right here. I'm going to start working in a little bit tighter shots. We're going to get a little bit of a variation. Come forward just a little bit. There you go. let's see where our light's at. That's solid. Okay, now what I want you to do is let's keep you guys in an open pose, but I want you to hug onto his arm. There you go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. And then what we're gonna do, guys, is, Alex, if you're to look down to this side, let me see where the light's hitting you on that side. And I kind of like that, where the light's kind of getting part of your face. Looks really good. Let's just make sure your face isn't too bright. I'm gonna talk to you guys. I like to talk a lot about like what I'm doing shooting-wise, so you guys kind of know I'm not just like staring at you creepily, because that's always weird. Okay, and then we're gonna bring this up a little bit. That's fantastic. Okay, so what I'm gonna have you guys do is let's start in a little bit close. I want you to hug onto him. Sorry, you stay in the pose that you're at. I'm gonna be shooting tighter on you. So hug into him. Beautiful. And then kind of look down and towards my side. And guys, one of the things that we love doing is we love creating kind of like eye lines that lead towards each other. So for example, you looking down towards her and her looking down towards this side. And then we'll kind of play around with that a little bit. But the way we kind of change the feel of a shot is by what your eyes and chest and everything is doing. So right now, if you're kind of looking down towards this side, we can do several different things. But the strange thing about it is that if you guys look at each other from this distance, sometimes it feels a little bit weird, right? Because we generally don't stare at each other from that close. So typically when you're super close, it's for a kiss and you guys close the eyes or something like that. Otherwise, one of you is looking off. So the kind of rule of thumb is, Alexander, if he's looking at you from that distance, you're probably looking off to the side. Okay, so hug into him with both arms. Beautiful. Lean onto him with the head, and then look towards my side a little bit. Beautiful. Right there, guys. I love that. That's gorgeous. I want to make this shot about Alex. Alex, go chin up. Perfect. And bring the chin just to the left side a little bit, your left side. I want to get a little more light on your face just so it's like kind of evens out the highlight. There you go. Fantastic. Oh, I dig the way that looks.